Alrighty guys, welcome back to the ultimate Ute Upfit. One lucky winner will win over 30 grand's worth of upgrades fitted to their ute. Right here, we've got the stock truck, and this pile of accessories is what we're going to be fitting to this ute over the next little while. We've partnered with some of the best brands in the industry: Utemaster, ROH, Maxxis, GME, Lightforce, Maxtrax, Rhino Rack, Tough Dog, Custom Lithium, Red Arc. In each episode, we'll break down every accessory, how to install it, why it matters, and then go test it in the wild. This week, we're kicking things off by installing the Utemaster Centurion canopy. Make sure you subscribe and follow us along as we install each accessory, because every accessory install takes us closer to the ultimate Ute Upfit. You still have a chance to win over 30 grand's worth of gear fitted to your ute for free. Click on the link below to try your luck.